In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a video as a texture in Cinema 4D and preview it, plus tips for Redshift and Octane. We'll start by creating a new material. In the Material Manager, double-click an empty area or click the plus icon and choose Material. This gives you a blank material that will turn into a video-driven surface, perfect for screens, billboards, or animated decals. Next, assign your video file to the material. Double-click the new material to open the editor. In the Color channel, click the Texture field, choose your video file, and click Open. Cinema 4D will reference that file just like a still image, but it will treat each frame as part of your texture's timeline. If your footage is long or high resolution, keep in mind that viewport performance can vary depending on your hardware and the video codec. To actually see the video play in the viewport, enable the Animated Preview. In the Material Editor, go to the Editor tab and check Animate Preview. With that on, the material's thumbnail and the texture in the viewport will play back in sync with your timeline, making it much easier to line up animation and timing. You'll notice the texture updates as you move through frames so you can quickly judge pacing and placement. Now apply the material to an object. The simplest test is a plane, so drag the material from the Material Manager onto your desired object in the viewport. You should see your video mapped onto that geometry. If you're previewing a screen or a UI, a plane works well because it keeps the image undistorted and flat, making the content easy to read. If you want the screen to glow realistically, you can make the texture emit light. In the same material, copy the texture from the Color channel and paste it into the Luminance channel. This lets the surface appear self-lit in your render, which is perfect for monitors, phones, or signage. It's an optional step, but it adds a lot of believability without extra lighting. For third-party renderers like Redshift or Octane, you may need to convert your video to an image sequence first. Then, in their respective material node systems, load the first frame of the sequence and adjust the animation settings, including the movie frame rate and the end frame, so the playback matches your project. This ensures the texture advances properly across frames and stays in sync throughout your shot. That's the process from start to finish. Simple, reliable, and ready for production.